Today, we show you Scripps at La Jolla, which actually is two different surf spots. Scripps North, where it's all super high-end surfers riding shortboards on steep waves. It's between the notoriously gnarly Black's Beach and the tourist-friendly La Jolla Shores. North is for the best surfers, and the waves are killer.
Scripps South is a long stretch of many different peaks. Great waves to challenge the beginners and intermediate athletes and practice your tricks.
And it's perfect for longboarders.
We've got to roll. Please hit the button and help us grow.